Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reopen your Hard Rock Bait account using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bait app on the phone. Make sure you have the latest version installed from the App Store. Tap Login. On the home screen, enter your previous account details, your username or email, and your password. If your account is inactive or closed, the app will usually show a message like account closed or inactive. Don't worry, this just means you need to reopen it. Look for a button that says reopen account or contact support to reopen. Tap it and the app will guide you through the steps. You may be asked to verify your identity. This can include entering your date of birth, email or phone number associated with your account. This is just to make sure it's really you. If the app doesn't let you reopen, automatically tap contact support or live chat. Explain that you want to reopen your account and they will guide you through it step by step. Once your account is reopened, log in again, check your balance, bait and profile to make sure everything is correct. Now you are ready to play again. And that's all. You have just learned how to reopen your Hard Rock Pay account on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.